Grimbergen, a name that echoes through centuries and across beer bottles. Each label tells a story. Each glass holds a legacy. We walk toward the brewery, past quiet stone and golden leaves. Inside, the restaurant glows with warm wood copper accents and the unmistakable pride of tradition. Displays of beer varieties line the walls, blonde, double, triple, each brewed with care, each rooted in monastic heritage. Outside, the herb garden breathes history. We step into the Abbey's herb garden, quiet, fragrant, and full of memory. These herbs were once the soul of Grimbergen's brews. Before hops, monks used plants like rosemary, sage, and yarrow to flavor and preserve their beer. Rosemary for remembrance, sage for wisdom, each herb chosen not just for taste, but for meaning. Some were healing, some were sacred. All were part of a brewing tradition that stretched back centuries. This garden is not just a source, it is living archived at a place where brewing meets devotion. But Grimbergen's story is not without fire. The Abbey was destroyed, rebuilt, destroyed again. Each time, it rose like the phoenix in its crest. Ardit nec consumita. It burns but is not consumed. We step back in time into sepia-toned memories. Monks in white habits, stirring copper vats, bottling beer with quiet devotion. Brewing was not just craft, it was calling. In medieval times, beer was essential. During fasting it became liquid bread, a source of nourishment and comfort. The monks brewed with care, recording recipes that survived fire, war, and revolution. The Abbey was destroyed 3 times. Each time the monks rebuilt it. That's why the phoenix, symbol of rebirth, appears on every bottle of Grimbergen beer. Today, a new chapter unfolds. The microbrewery stands sleek and modern, yet rooted in centuries of tradition. Here, ancient recipes meet innovation. The monk's legacy lives on in every batch. Single, double, triple, blonde, amber, dark. Each bottle a tribute to time, patience, and purpose. Beyond the brewery and the basilica lies another treasure, quiet, unassuming, yet profound. The Grimbergen Abbey Library. Here, centuries of thought rest on wooden shelves, theological texts, historical chronicles, handwritten volumes that once guided monks in prayer, study, and reflection. This is more than a collection, it is a living memory of Abbey's soul. In Grimbergen, knowledge is sacred and silence speaks volumes. end the day with a sumptuous dinner, tasting the blonde, double and triple brews. Each sip carries the spirit of the Abbey, the labor of monks, the soul of Grimbergen. As night falls, we journey onward to Waterloo, where history waits to greet day 3.